Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simplest QR code attendance system with Google Sheets and Google Forms. This way, help you easily manage your staff attendance with free no cost. It's an easiest way to track your staff attendance by scanning the QR code. First of all, open Google Chrome and type sheets.new. Start your table heading with first name, last name, URL, and QR code. Type down your staff name separately if you don't have a list. In this case, I have a list and I have already copied it. Rename your sheet. In column full name, type this function to join first name and last name together. Now, you can adjust your column to fit your staff's full name. Next step, open a new tab and type forms.new. Now you get a new Google form. Rename your form. Start your forms question. Choose multiple choice question. Go to your attendance list in Google Sheet to copy the list. Paste it in your form question. When you got your list right, click on the three dots on the left, then choose Get Pre-filled Link. Make sure you select a staff before you click on Get Link. Then click on Copy Link. Go back to your attendance list, then paste the link in column URL. Now edit your link. Remove the view form in the link and replace with form response. This means the make your form automatically response when you scan the QR code. Remove this link out. Type equal and the open of double quotes before the link. Close the double quotes. Remove the first name, then replace with an A2 and then open the double quote. Put the add sign between the double quotes. Then remove the last name and replace with and B2 and. Then click Enter. Now you got the link for all of your staff. Now open a new tab, then go to google.com to get the QR code API. Type QR API Google in the search bar. Click on the first link from quickchart.io. Select on the first QR API to copy. Go back to attendance sheet. In column QR code, type equal image, then open bracket, then paste the QR API link. Then type and D2 at the end of the link. Then open and close the double quotes. Then click Enter. Click Allow Access. Double-click on the edge to autofill. Adjust your columns and rows to make your QR bigger. Now test a scan with your phone. Perfect. Now go to attendance form. And now you can see 4 responses after 4 times scanned. Edit after submission message. Go to Responses tab and link your responses to a Google Sheet. So click on Link to Sheets. Choose Create a new spreadsheet, then click Create. A Google Sheet will show up. So here you can see the list of all the responses include the timestamp so that you can identify who late for work. Customize and adjust your table. Rename your sheet. Now test a scan again to make sure it works well. So now you can see the result, the scan. Now manage your form and sheets. Create a new folder. Move them into the folder. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video.